Hi guys, welcome to Soft Jobs. In this video I am going to tell you about Hawkins Cookers Limited recruitment process. It's really a great opportunity. Why? Because any graduate, freshers, experience all are eligible to apply for this recruitment. Let's discuss about what is the recruitment process, how to register for this process. Let's see one by one. In management training, there are 7 different roles. For that, they are offering remuneration per annum is during training period 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. After successfully completion of your training, on confirmation, they are offering 10 to 12 lakhs per annum for all the roles. Now let's see what are the 7 different roles and duration of the training period and how they are recruiting us on what basis. Hawkins is known for its fair policies and ethical practices. Hawkins emphasizes incentives payment by results and selection and promotion purely on merit basis. Hawkins has well-established management training program which leads to jobs in management career in 18 months. After successful completion of training, confirmed with an appropriate increase in salary and benefits, freshers graduates may apply for the process. Persons with relevant experience may start with higher. Let's see what are the 7 different roles and their responsibilities, eligibility criteria. First one is the sales and marketing. May be posted in important towns in various parts of India. The job involves traveling intensively, managing dealers and modern retail, and achieving sales targets. May have opportunity based on the performance and attend foreign conferences. After some sales experience, promising candidate may move to marketing. Second one is executive assistance to the senior management. Bright graduates in any discipline are needed to provide all-round help to the senior managers will get exposure to the multiple facets of the business. Third one is accounts or commercial. Jobs in internal audit, costing, corporate accounts, budgeting and control, factory accounts and commercial operations. Good understanding of accountancy and spreadsheets in desirable. Coming to fourth one, technical or engineering. Diploma holders, engineering graduates and postgraduates needed in mechanical, electrical, civil tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial engineering, material science or robotics. Coming to fifth one, human resources. Jobs in training and manpower development, recruitment, appraisal management and factory HR. Next, sixth one is legal. Knowledge of industrial relation, intellectual property, legal metallurgy, labor laws, contracts and commercial law will be useful. Company secretary qualified person may also apply. Coming to the last seventh one, programmers. Good practical knowledge of one or more of the following needed: C++, C Sharp, SQL, Visual Basic, Java, ASP, HTML, Python or Android. Coming to eligibility criteria of all 7 roles of management trainee is candidate should be 21 to 28 years of age. Applications duly signed giving full details of age, education, mobile number and experience if any. Should be accomplished by a note in English, the candidate own handwriting on reason why I am interested in this job. The application may be either uploaded on the company's website at www.hackins.in/jobs. Following instructions therein are sent by the post or courier to Senior VP Personnel, Hackins Cookers Limited, Maker Tower, F101, Cafe Parde, Mumbai, mentioning the job applied for on the envelope. The selection process shall consist of screening of application and written test at various centers all over India. Candidates shortlisted thereafter shall be called for a group discussion and final interview in Mumbai, for which return rail fares shall be paid. Apply promptly. Now let's see how to apply for these jobs. If you are interested to apply sales or marketing, click apply button here and apply for the job. Accounts or commercial, click apply button, or human resource, click apply button here, or legal means apply here, or executive assistance to the senior management means click on apply here, or technical or engineering means apply here, or if you want to apply for the programmer's role, click on apply button here. For all the 7 different roles, we need to fill the same data in the application form. This is the online application form. After clicking apply, this application form will display. Let's fill the following details. Enter name of the candidate, age, mobile number and email ID, and then upload your biodata and click on upload button. Here we need to upload handwritten note. Reason why I am interested in this job. Write a note of about 200 words in your own handwriting on paper in English. After writing, take a picture or scan the paper and then upload PDF or JPEG format. After choosing the file, click on upload. You can upload the multiple files. Maximum the file size is 10 MB. Now verify your mobile number. Click on request OTP button. OTP will come to your registered mobile number and then click on submit application. If you have sent a physical application through courier or post, you don't need to upload online application form. One person should upload one application only. Make sure that you have followed all the instructions including signing your application. If you are facing difficulties while applying the online, please try after some time. This is the online application process. Hope you like the video. Application link given in the description. If you have any doubts, comment below. And for more updates, subscribe to our channel Soft Jobs.